Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. I feel like I want to be more consistent, and I'm going to be consistent with my assistant here. Anyway, let's get into this video. My first time ordering a wig like this. I got it off of Amazon, and it was only like, I think $37 or whatever. It's synthetic, so we're gonna see. Because I mean, the reviews were nice. The reviews were pretty much cool. It's by this brand called Star. I think that's how you say it. Comes packaged like this, and they gave me a pair of lashes. I got this in the color 1B, and we are about to see how it looks. If this act right, this is what I'll be wearing tomorrow. But it looks like this once you take the net off. It is pretty soft. I'll put a picture of the wig on Amazon. Yes, 18 inches. So it comes like this. I was trying to get it like short enough to look natural, like my hair, but I can always cut it. My hair is blown out. I need to get a nice trim, but I decided to wash it and blow it out just so that I can see the length and whatnot. I know some people do like braids and stuff, but because I want to be real quick with this, I feel like I'm just gonna put bobby pins or something. So the videos I saw, they were doing like V cuts. It is a V, and then it also has 5 clips at the top to clip in, and then it has the 2 combs on the sides, and then there's a comb at the bottom, and then obviously the band to make the hair tighter. So this might not be perfect, but we're gonna make it do what it do. A little off, don't it, y'all? First of all, look at my comb. Like, I just discovered that my comb was broke like this in my bag. So here, make sure it's even. I'll chit chat a little bit with y'all. I am currently 33 weeks preggo, and the countdown is definitely on. Baby girl is dropping. She is head down, and she is definitely doing her job, making me get out of bed all hours of the night to go use the restroom, and making me walk around like a penguin. You know, she's doing what she's supposed to do, but she is healthy and mommy is healthy, so that's all that matters. Also, I think I'm gonna bring out the sides. Nobody wants to see like when the wind blows back and it show all your track. I'm literally winging this, y'all. Alright, this is not gonna be perfect because this is really just like a slap on to see how I like it. So I'm gonna just put this up here, put a bobby pin in there. If this wig don't work out, I'm just gonna curl my hair. I feel like curls last longer than the hair being straight. And I'm happy it's cold outside now because my hair won't really revert back to natural as quick as it would with, you know. Alright, so this part. So I noticed that, like, if I'm really gonna wear this wig, like right now, like today or whatever, I would typically do the braids. But because I'm not going anywhere, I have an event tomorrow, so this is like a prep process to see how I'm gonna wear my hair. I am just going to put my hair in like a low little bun. It still clips in even though it has nothing to like clip on because my hair is so soft right now. It might slide right off, But this is a test run just to see how I like this company and this hair. And then we're gonna see how long it actually lasts, because yeah. All right, there we go. So let's cut this part off. We're gonna cut these 2 bands. I'm going to make sure all of these little clips are popped up and ready.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, girl.
What do you need?
Oh, I'm putting on this wig.
Okay.
Okay.
We did come eat, please.
Alright, so we put 1 clip in right there. We can clip that in. Put another right over here. Clip that in. In there.
I like your hair, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, girl. Oh, thank you, thank you. And then we're gonna put it down in the back and clip the comb.
Yes.
Yes.
This is Mom.
They don't. Oh, okay. We getting somewhere. And then we take this comb.
Go,
Put
Papa.
that comb back there. Ma'am, what are you doing?
I love Papa.
All right. So then we're gonna take out the bobby pins. This is where the flat irons come into play. Here, let me put a middle part. Alright, so I had to flat iron my hair to kind of get it to like do the crumple a little bit to get that curl. What y'all think?
Hi. Oh, wash your hair.
This might be a go.
It did go good.
Put like some shine on it. Super skinny serum. I'm gonna go and tweak it real quick, curl it a little bit, and then come back and show you guys. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm back, and first of all, let's say this hair is herring. Hair, like, the only con I'll say is that it is a little bigger. Like, it might look like I got big head, but I really don't. But but it's definitely a little loose. So I gotta figure out how to make it tighter. Maybe use like a safety pin or something in the back at the bottom. You know, it's gonna last me just like a cool little throw on. It's cute. You like it?
Yes. I like your hair.
Yeah, and it blends. It's blending very well.
Yes,
like, it's blending. Say you're my daughter without saying you're my daughter. Like, you're silly. Yo, follow me on Instagram at LaShira Monet. Oh, I am not sponsored. This is gonna be my wig for tomorrow's event. So, yeah, get into it. Give me a kiss.